Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enter and exit easy mode on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, scroll down and you will see easy mode is here. Click on easy mode. If you want to enter easy mode, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see easy mode is enter. If you want to exit easy mode, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, easy mode is exit. So you will enter or exit easy mode from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enter or exit easy mode on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.